you feel lost because you've never defined purpose the Stoic way. Not because you're broken, not because you lack ambition, but because you were taught to chase meaning instead of build it. The Stoics had a definition of purpose that eliminated confusion, anxiety, and drifting. Once you understand it, your life gains direction immediately. Most people drift through life. They wake up, go through motions, chase goals they didn't choose, and wonder why nothing feels solid. They ask, what's my purpose? What am I meant to do? What is my passion? The Stoics would say, you're asking the wrong question. Purpose is not something you discover, it's something you commit to. And until you define it correctly, you will feel restless no matter how successful you become. Modern culture tells you to follow your passion. The Stoics rejected this completely. Marcus Aurelius never asked, what excites me? He asked, what does reason demand of me? For Stoics, purpose meant living in accordance with virtue, with wisdom, courage, justice, and self control, not pleasure, not constant excitement, not emotional highs. Purpose was alignment between your values, your actions, and your character. When those align, life feels meaningful even when it's hard. Modern application. If your purpose depends on how you feel, you'll abandon it the moment discomfort appears. Stoic purpose survives boredom, resistance, and fear. Action step. Stop asking, what do I want? Start asking, what kind of person must I be? That question creates direction instantly. Epictetus taught that every human has roles: son, brother, worker, citizen, leader, student. Purpose comes from fulfilling your role well, not escaping it. You don't need a grand mission. You need excellence in what's in front of you. Drifting happens when you avoid responsibility. Meaning emerges when you accept it. Modern application. Most people feel purposeless because they avoid commitment, delay responsibility, or chase abstract futures. Stoicism says, do your duty now. Meaning follows. Action step. Write down your current roles. Then ask, how would a disciplined, virtuous man perform this role? That answer is your purpose for now. Seneca warned that life feels empty when days lack intention. Purpose is not a single revelation, it's a daily practice. Every day, you either act according to your values or drift into convenience. Stoic purpose is reinforced by daily standards. Small actions repeated consistently aligned with virtue. Modern application. If your days are chaotic, your sense of purpose will be too. Purpose is the result of how you spend your time. Action step. Define one non negotiable daily action that reflects your values. Not big, not impressive, but consistent. That is how meaning compounds. The Stoics were very clear. You cannot have purpose without sacrifice. If everything is equally important, nothing is meaningful. Marcus Aurelius constantly reminded himself to let go of comfort, approval, ease, and distraction in order to live deliberately. Purpose demands that you say no to many things so you can say yes to what matters. Modern application. If your life feels scattered, it's because your priorities are. Purpose clarifies what you're willing to give up. Action step. Ask yourself, what am I willing to sacrifice for a meaningful life? Your answer defines your seriousness. Stoicism strips purpose down to its core. Purpose is not what you achieve, it's how you live. You can fail externally and still succeed internally. You can lose status and keep meaning. You can struggle and remain purposeful. Why? Because Stoic purpose is rooted in character, and character cannot be taken from you. Modern application. When life feels uncertain, return to this question: what does virtue demand of me right now? That question never fails. Action step. When confused, overwhelmed, or lost, default to this: act with integrity, act with discipline, and act with courage. Because purpose follows action, not thought. You were never lost. You were just taught to look for purpose in the wrong place. The Stoics showed us that purpose is alignment, purpose is duty, purpose is daily action, purpose is sacrifice, purpose is character. Define the man you want to be, live like him today, and repeat tomorrow. That is Stoic purpose.